Assalamu alaikum students, and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a task 2 in which we will discuss the mistakes that most of the students do in writing task 2, right? IELTS writing task 2. As you already know that both IELTS and IELTS academic and general students have to write a task 2 with the same format and the same words requirement. So let's discuss this essay. The topic of this essay is mentioned in our previous video. You can see the previous video, essay number 29 and 28. You will see the topic of this essay. Now let's discuss this student. What are the mistakes that this student has done? You can learn from these mistakes, right? You have to learn in short so that you don't repeat these mistakes while writing in your task. Okay, so before starting, if you haven't subscribed our channel, you can go ahead and subscribe our channel. We will post more videos that will be very helpful for you, right? So let's start. We are living in the modern era of time. The educational methods are also getting updated with time. Some people, now this is our introduction paragraph. Should be should be based on experimental learning in modern classroom, while some believe that traditional method is still the best. All right, here we have to change it. You have to mention what is your opinion and what this essay is going to talk about. I will soon upload another video in which I'll tell you how to write an effective introduction, right? Very soon, and you can see that one. So let's move to the next body paragraph. In the first paragraph, we are going to discuss. You don't have to write this in the first or in the second paragraph. Only your first sentence should be the topic sentence of your whole paragraph number 1, body paragraph number 1. People think that the traditional method is best. The traditional approach has there is a mistake. So let's go through the mistakes quickly. All of them have different method of teaching, so it's called. All of them have different method of teaching, so it's cause problem. It causes problem. There is a mistake. You can read again and you can edit this sentence. This is not appropriate. Now let me tell you something. These are the very 5 points that you have to keep in your mind while writing task 2. Number 1, after writing you must have to recheck your paper as well, based on 5 points that I tell my students. Number 1, your spelling mistakes. Second, punctuation. Third, use of correct tenses. 4, avoid the repetition. And 5, most important, easy to read, right? Your words should be easy to read. It should not be like this, very difficult to understand what's written. Alright, moving towards our third paragraph. Let's quickly discuss it. In this paragraph, we are going to discuss about the experiment. Useful, spelling of useful, USEFUL only, not double L, to meet the demands of the modern time. You can use another word for this: convenient, good, appropriate as well. P should be small. The first letter of a new sentence will be capital, not a word that is written in the sentence. For example, sentence is starting from here and ends here, right? Now this is capital letter. If there is a noun, a name of a person, place or thing, that will be written in capital, but not all the words. P should be small here. The P should be small. यहाँ पर S नहीं आना चाहिए. There should be no increment. Shouldn't be any increment of S here. The modern classroom. Consist. Modern classroom is singular. Now if you are saying different, so there should be plural after this, right? If you use many, some, then after these words there should be a plural to just clarify the meaning that you're talking about something plural. Many. There are a lot of mistakes. Alright, now let's discuss this conclusion. In the end, after discussing the advantages of traditional and modern methods, I can clearly say that it is more useful for students. There should be no apostrophe, comma, right? Only students as. Alright, the word requirement 280, but the band score will be around 5.5 or 6, because there are a lot of mistakes you have seen, right, which I discussed. Alright.